In the world of crypto, where fortunes are made overnight, wouldn't you love to get your hands on some free tokens? Welcome, dear profitifiers, to the magical realm of airdrops, a place where tokens rain down freely, and all you need is the knowledge to catch them. Sounds like a fairy tale? Well, let's dive right in. Airdrops are a marketing strategy employed by crypto projects. They distribute free tokens, either from a new project seeking traction or an established one rewarding its faithful community. It's a win-win situation, a phenomenal blend of generosity and strategy. Why, you might ask, would anyone distribute free money? The answer is simple. Airdrops create a buzz, attract new users, and give a taste of what the project offers. It's an invitation to join the project's journey, and who can resist free tokens? Participation in an airdrop is often as straightforward as following the project on social media, signing up for their newsletter, or holding a specific cryptocurrency. It's like getting rewarded for your regular online activities. Finding these airdrops is easy, with numerous websites and forums dedicated to tracking and sharing information about them. All you need to do is stay alert and ready to grab the opportunity. Airdrops are not only about free tokens, they offer a valuable learning experience for crypto beginners. You'll gain hands-on experience setting up wallets, navigating decentralized exchanges, and interacting with different blockchain networks. It's your personal Crypto 101, but with a twist of excitement. To sum up, airdrops are the hottest trend in the crypto world right now. Whether you're hunting for free tokens or eager to expand your crypto knowledge, airdrops are a must-try. Who knows, you might discover the next big thing in blockchain technology. Until next time, dear profitifiers, keep your eyes to the skies and your wallets open. Happy profiting!